So here you already have this iShare presentation switcher set up. Basically right now we have two laptops, and one is the Windows PC and a MacBook. Windows PC we're using the Type C, and HDMI we're using the HDMI cable for the MacBook, and we have another HDMI input from the player. So basically we have two HDMI inputs, a Type C, and I'm going to show you how to have the source switching by the front panel push buttons. So basically on the front panel push buttons, we can see we have the indicator is flashing, which means the source is active. The VGA indicator is off, which means it's not active because we didn't have the VGA connected. So if you want to have the HDMI 1 to output, then we can just press HDMI 1. So now we already have the source showing on the both outputs and HDMI 2. So now we actually have two windows on each screen, and we have a USB-C. So now we actually have three windows on each TV. And if we have VGA, so it's going to be showing here. Now we're going to show is the HDMI 2 output. So with this button, we can just press, then it will switch in the working modes. Like right now, two screens are showing the same contents, which is the follow mode. If we press the button, it's going to be the matrix mode. So with the matrix mode, basically we just press this button, it will switch the source for the HDMI output to for this screen. So this one is from HDMI 1, HDMI 2, USB-C. If you want to switching back to the follow mode, then we just press this HDMI output button for 3 seconds. Then you will switch into the follow mode, which shows these two screens are showing the same. Except using the front button to switch, we also can use the TCP IP control. So right now we have this yellow LAN cable connect to this PoE switch, and on the PoE switch, basically we connect to our local Wi-Fi. So we can just use this PC to control the switchings using type the IP address of this device here. Then we can do the video source switching here. So we can just select them to show as the matrix mode or as the full screen mode. We also can just have them to show the guide screen. Because right now actually we're showing as the matrix mode, so we can just select the source. Right now if you want to have this screen showing the Type C and the HDMI 1, HDMI 2, we can just simply select here, which is the primary, which is for the HDMI 1, and the secondary, which is for the HDMI output 2. So you can check out how it works. So this one is for the matrix mode. Except in the source switching, also we are able to change the names here, and also more settings by the general interface. Except using the WebGUI control, we are also able to use this 10-button keypad to control the working modes or sharing the home page. For this keypad, it can support the PoE function. So right now we have this PoE, then we have this one power down, and this one we can just use the WebGUI to program. And so this is the keypad. We just log in, and the username and password both are the same, admin. So we can just do the programming, and which is for the each buttons here. So like right now, if you wanna first one is going to show one window, 2 windows, 3 windows, 4 windows, and the source switching, and also the home page. If you press the home page, you will show the home page. We also can just have this one as the follow mode. So one window. So with one window, we can just press the second to switch in the source here. And 2 windows, 3 windows and 4 windows. For Windows, we are also able to do the source switching. And this is the home page, which is showing the guide picture.